Good morning, everyone.
Very great morning, Purvi.
I am Purvi from Proud 9th grade, and today we all are having a wonderful session on debate. And our topic for debate is offline classes versus online classes. Friends, as we all know that we have passed through the difficult phase of our life during COVID-19. It was the situation of lockdown and whole country was quarantined. But in that difficult time also, our teachers made great efforts for us to teach us online. Now we are going to start a healthy discussion on importance of offline classes versus online classes. Friends, we are having two teams here, Team A and Team B. Team A is in the favor of offline classes and Team B is in the favor of online classes. So let's start our discussion with Team.
Hello friends, I am Dikshant from Proud 9th grade and I am strongly in the favor of offline classes. This mode of study is always beneficial and productive as compared to online classes. Offline classes are always better than online classes.
Yes, Dikshant, I agree with you, but could you explain me more about the traditional classes in detail?
Traditional classes are suitable for only young age students like us. In offline classes, there are regular attendance which help teachers to interact with students, and we will be in more disciplined and regular schedule. There are so many sports like football, cricket, kabaddi and volleyball, and they increase our physical fitness and mental alertness.
Yes, Dikshant, I agree with you, but according to me, there are also many benefits of the online classes. Like in online classes, it consumes less time and the student can utilize this extra time by doing various activities such as yoga, jogging, etc. It improves our physical fitness and mental alertness. It also have the more discipline than the offline classes, as the teacher is having a mute button to mute all the students at the concentration of the topic, and it can also help the teachers to take the attendance very easily, as when the student joins the class, it automatically traces the attendance of the student.
Hi everyone, I Yash Dhaya. I want to add one more point in our debate, that traditional class, that is the offline study, it is more beneficial as Dikshant had told to us. And in this method, all students can directly give their views and clarify their mistake with the teacher.
Yes. I take your point, yes, but in online classes, views will be given more weight and time will be given to each and every student if they are regular and active through all their classes. Though it is bit late in communication than the offline classes, but teacher can clarify all the mistakes in online classes also. Time will be given to each and every student and special attention can be given to each and every student and queries will be answered as well.
Now, I want to highlight a key point there, that books and classroom notes are very essential for attaining a good education and studying and passing the exams by getting good marks.
May I interrupt you, yes, for a while? In online classes, we need not to carry any of the books or notes or any kind of notebooks with us, because e-copies of all the notes and books can be saved in our mobile phones and computers. All the apps can have all these textbook material as well.
Had very interacting session from both the teams. As we know that every coin have two faces, same as that every situation also have two faces. Everybody is having different views. With these efforts, we hope that you may have understood the importance of both the faces. Thank you and have a nice day.